Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by your own video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question in the chapter Electrostatics, which is in your class 12 syllabus. Okay. The question is, two identical point charges of magnitude minus q, both the charges are having minus q, are fixed as shown in the figure. That is the figure, sir. The figure is in the next slide. Okay. A third charge plus q is placed midway between the two charges at the point B. It means what? The charge plus q is at equidistant between both the minus q charges. Okay. That's all. Suppose this charge plus q is displaced a small distance from the point B in the direction indicated by the arrows. Everything is in the next slide. In which directions will plus q be stable with respect to the displacement? Points A1 and A2. Option 2, B1 and B2. So the points are in the next slide. Okay. 3, in both directions, no stable. It means what? At no point the charges will be stable, okay, with respect to displacement. So which one is the right answer? For that matter, first you have to draw the figure. Okay, so this is the figure. This is minus q. This is also minus q. This is the midpoint P, has not been mentioned in the figure. Anyway, this is the point P in which plus q is placed. So the distance between minus q, this minus q and this plus q, let it be r. So what is the force between them? F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2. It means what? Plus q into minus q. Okay, that's all. Divided by r square. What is the force between this minus q and this plus q? The very same thing. Is it not 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus q into minus q divided by r plus divided by r square. This r is the same because the point P, that is the plus q, is at the midway, at the midpoint. So it is here. Okay, now we are displacing plus q to some other place. You can displace it to A1 or A2, B1 and B2. So, at which point we will have stability of charges. Okay. Suppose the point is here, placed at A1. What will happen? This distance will be lesser and this distance will be greater. For this minus q, the distance is lesser, and for this minus q, the distance will be greater. It means what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon by r square. Yeah. So this r square, as r decreases, force will increase because the force is inversely proportional to this. So this side you will have greater force, and this side you will have lesser force. So now stability. Okay. Then what about B1 and B2? So this B1. So the plus q is placed here. The distance between this minus q and this plus q, and also the distance between this minus q and plus q will be equal. Similarly for B2 also, because it is moved along the bisector line. So as far as B1 and B2 is concerned, the distance between minus q and plus q in both the cases, what does it mean by both the cases, sir? This minus q and this minus q will be equal. Okay, will be equal. So only for B1 and B2, the distance between plus q and minus q are equal. It means what? F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into minus q divided by r square. The distance are may be different, but whatever it may be. So anyway, then only at B1 and B2 there will be stability. So only at this condition plus q will be stable. Okay. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. So this question has been asked in your plus 2 Tamil Nadu State Government Physics book. Okay. So we will see one more problem from the electrostatics chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Okay.